Another round of heavy rain soaking the Sunshine State. So here we go again as nasty storms already started firing off on Saturday with the next batch of weather taking shape right now. A level 2 out of 4 flash flood risk is in place today with up to 3 inches of rain expected. There is just a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and you feel it as humidity out here. So if you live in any of these spots in the dark blue, you probably want to say to Mother Nature, girl, I want you to understand it is too humid out here. I was in Savannah yesterday. I felt it. That air was thick, and that just means there's a lot of moisture for those real slow-moving boundaries and showers and storms to tap into and then rain out. And we've seen that play out over the last couple of days. It has been inundation in terms of the water around the Big Bend area, 3 to 5 to even as much as 7 inches of rain in spots. And so obviously when you talk about that amount of rain in just a short period of time, flooding is a concern, and we're going to keep that a concern as we move through not only today, but into our Monday as well. So this will take you through the rest of this afternoon, and you see some of these showers moving on in. We're already seeing some heavier downpours in and around Tampa and Sarasota, and we'll keep that moving into our Monday as well. Gainesville, Jacksonville, even around the Orlando area, as some of these showers will set up and drop 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rain in a very short period of time. And over the next couple of days, you'll notice we could see upwards of 5 inches falling in some of those spots that have already been the hardest hit. So we've got the flood watches in place from PCB, Panama City Beach, right down through Cedar Key, which, by the way, Cedar Key is one of those areas that has seen heavy rain, over 7 inches of rain. Remember last hurricane season, we didn't get much in the way of tropical rain at all across the state of Florida. So drought scenario has improved since May. Not all that much. We're still seeing many areas that do need the rain. So it's not all bad news with this rain, but obviously too much rain could certainly create some flooding concerns.